AVID means college prep and like how to prepare for college in all these different sorts of ways.
AVID means to me a class to get me on the right path to get to college and to help me prep for college.
It's just really a way for me to realize what I need to do to meet requirements to get into college.
AVID to me is actually a class to prepare me for college and life after college.
It teaches you a lot of good skills and it gets you into really good habits that are going to help you a lot, not only for high school but like college and stuff.
AVID is like a chance to help me get ready for college, to find what college I want to go to help me succeed.
It gives you like strategies that you would learn in college particularly, but you learn them earlier here in the year, so it's easier once you get to college.
To me, AVID means future pretty much. It means that I have a chance to go to college.
AVID to me is a class that helps me get prepared for college and also helps me get organized in all my other classes.
The organization note sheet that we got is helping a lot.
Well, an organization is a big one.
AVID's really helped me get organized.
I'm a lot more organized in my classes now, and I know what's going on and when assignments are due.
Teachings on how to get organized and take notes, and it's really helped me with my schoolwork and improved my grades.
Organization, definitely, above everything.
I've been using my assignment logs to help me remember of stuff that I have to do.
Cornell notes and writing the date on every single notes that I take, because then when I go back I can just look at the date and then I know what we did that day.
Like taking better notes.
Cornell notes are helping a lot.
Because I have certain schedules that I keep for each class, assignment logs, calendars for everything that we do so I don't get lost.
I take Cornell notes, which actually help a lot because I know what I learned in class more and I can look back at it for homework.
It actually has helped my grades also, because now I know some strategies to pay attention better in class, and my grades are doing better.
We help each other to learn more and have a better education, and I have a chance to be myself.
Everybody's getting along really well.
Everyone's so nice to each other in that class, actually, and it's actually kind of funny because, I mean, usually no one's really talking. It's usually all really quiet in most of my classes, but this one is just like we're having kind of fun in there, getting stuff done. So
everyone gets along really good. We're all getting closer and we work together, and we have other classes together too, so we help each other out in those.
I think the atmosphere in our AVID classroom is a lot more comfortable because we do interact so much with each other that we know each other better.
Everybody really talks to each other and everybody really knows each other.
So it's not like that awkward atmosphere where like when you have to work in a group, it's more like you want to work in a group with those people.
It's all friendly, and if you ask a question that everyone else knows, they're all supportive of it, so I like it.
So how would you summarize your point of confusion?
Well, all you have to know is that the y-axis is up and down, and then the x-axis is left and right.
Now these discussions revolve around a point of confusion, and the point of confusion is presented by the student, him or herself. And with that point of confusion, they start off by writing it on the board, and while they're doing that, other students are taking notes. And they start through their question, and then as they're going, students in the group and tutors ask them questions to help guide their learning. Nobody's allowed to throw out an answer, so they are actually having to ask questions to solve a question, and ultimately helping that person with the point of confusion get to the final answer.
When they ask me questions on like how did you get that, or what's a way you can get this, it like really helps me think instead of just getting the answer.
What's 15 minus 1?
15 minus 1 is 14,
so what element's 14?
Oh, silicon.
So.
Oh.
Tutorials help me in the stuff that I don't understand in the classes, the academic classes.
Like if I'm stuck on a problem or something in one class, I just put it as a tutorial and we go over it with a couple other people and maybe someone understands it and explains it to me, and it's easy.
A is -1 up 4, so we'll go from -1, 4 to 1, 4, so only the x is changing.
Instead of just telling me the answer, I really have to think about it and I get a greater understanding.
What's the basic?
The what?
What are you using? Okay, for the rule, it's x and y. What would you change to make it flip?
Isn't that,
What would you have to turn negative, though?
Okay.
So, if this is positive going up, and this is negative going down, which way is x negative?
The tutorials definitely do help. I actually think they're kind of fun, I guess, in a way. I mean, it's still kind of hard work to try to answer someone's question only by asking questions, but it's still kind of a fun experience to see everyone working together.
For the minimum wage, it would increase the middle class, because there are people who are working in small businesses or in other companies that are not going to increase the people who have already been working there, and then the middle class will become larger and living situations will become more difficult to plan out.
The tutorials help. The other people ask questions that lead us towards the answers.
I think the easiest way for you to, or do you think you could do any visual image with the intersecting lines?
Like draw an image and then like...
Yeah, draw an image, like according to...
Yeah. It helps me problem solve, so instead of like just looking at the answer and memorizing it, I ask myself, why is this way?
Yeah. So this would be 42.5 degrees, and then those add up to 50 degrees.
Tutorials have actually helped me a lot because it's not just like helping me get a deeper understanding of what I'm having trouble with, but it's helping me have a deeper understanding of what I already know.
Really helped me like label things and be organized so I don't forget to do homework at night like I did so much last year. And
I'm not late to any of my classes. I don't miss any days of school. Like I just make sure I'm on top of everything.
It's helping me catch up a lot. Like last year, if I got behind, it would have took me so long to get caught up. I just started realizing how behind I was, and I'm already caught up in about 2 days.
Most recently, last year, I didn't get very good grades, but this year I'm planning on at least getting a 3.5 this year, and AVID's definitely helping me do that. What has changed for me is definitely my attitude about school and about what I need to get done to like actually be successful.
Right now I'm thinking Oregon State, Arizona State, and Washington.
I'm thinking about applying for California State University.
When I graduate high school, I'm going to join the Naval Reserves, hopefully, and then I'm going to go to college at the same time and hopefully study astrophysics because that's what I really want to do.
It's a college that helps me with my cosmetology career.
Either Princeton or Caltech, those are ones I'm on.
There's a lot. I really like UNR and UCSC.
Cool. But I definitely know I want to go into something with accounting and numbers.
I would want to go to college, I think maybe somewhere close to here, but then I also had a really big option, which was NYU.
I plan to attend Oregon State University.
At my freshman year, it was not a great year for me whatsoever. I did not believe in myself, and I didn't believe that people believed in me that I can actually strive to do better, and I didn't believe I could strive to do better. When I got picked for AVID, I was like, well, maybe this is like a chance where I do have a chance.